Hi, my next video is install and configure VMware Esxi server. I'm going to put the installation disk into the computer and set it rolling, and then once it stops we can do some configuring from there on. Okay, so I'm going to do that now. Need to enter to continue. F11. Now what it's going to do now is going to scan for all the hard drives to install it onto. And you've got to put a root password in. The server just rebooted, and I'm ready to do some configuration. So you put your root name and password back in. Press F2 to get to the configuration. This is where you have to configure the management network, and it tells you how many network adapters I've got. I'm using the free. You may want to choose a VLAN, what's associated with this card. Now if you're unfamiliar with the concept with the network ports or trunking ports, you can ignore this bit now. Your network team may give you a pair of network cards. Instead of having a single subnet that's assigned to them, have a multiple subnets all in a multiple of VLANs that will be assigned to them. This would be from your network team, and if they provide you with one or more VLANs that is associated to different subnets. One subnet could be for storage or management network. At the moment I'm getting a dynamic IP address which I don't want, so I'm going to change this to a static IP which is required for my environment. DNS configuration. This is where you put the DNS of the DNS server you're actually using. Mine is put an alternative DNS server there if you've got one. And this name here means that this is the host of the actual. This is where you put the custom DNS suffix in to the server. Test the management network. What I need to do is to make this test successful, I need to go to my DNS tab here, and I have to enter a static address for ESX1 into my DNS zone. So you right click on that, got new host. And you put in the static IP address. Add to the host. Create a pointed record and reverse record for ESX1. This is important. I have the correct resolution for the ESXi server into my DNS. I have to have all my servers into DNS, or I will have problems further down the road. Okay, I have to log back into the server now. I'll show you how to create a data center. Okay. To create a data center, you need to just right click on it, new data center. A data center contains all inventory objects such as hosts and virtual machines. You might need one data center. Large companies might need multiple data centers to represent organizational units in their enterprise. To create a data center, you need to just right click on it, new data center. Once I've got the host into the environment, I have some more tasks to do before I can add virtual machines to the Esxi 1. The next video I'm going to be showing you how to set up the networking part. Thank you for watching.